It's a cold and snowy night right here in Montreal as we wait for an exciting show tonight. It is Hail to the King. 4 big money matches await tonight right here live on YouTube. Thank you all for joining us right here. This is the HWE Hail to the King kickoff show where we will break down every match happening tonight on Hail to the King, and we will get exclusive interviews from the likes of Haunted Jacob and Soul and many more. Tonight's main event, Wyatt defends his Golden Weight Championship against Damien Skull. Damien Skull, who looks to add another championship belt on his side, his waist, on his shoulders, looking to become the first ever HWE double champion. Can he accomplish that tonight? Also, Zayn Saint Savior, the Fire of the Heavens, will take on the Hacker of HWE, Soul, one final time. They look to end their rivalry right here tonight in Montreal in a first blood match. They were supposed to have an Iron Man match a couple weeks ago, but Soul was unable to compete for unknown reasons. But as we know, Soul, he has his little plan B, plan B, plan C, plan D, all that stuff. But he has to fight tonight. He has to go against Zayn Saint Savior, who's fired up, and it has to be done in a first blood match. We also have the triple threat ladder match. The rules are right on your screen. You guys can read them, pause the video and read them. They will be mentioned once again later on. But this will be really the most unpredictable match ever. First of all, we do not even know the superstars competing in this match. Now, let's take a look what happened 2 days ago on Midnight Fatality. And that, Hail to the King, my friend. I'm getting that back. You won't have nothing left. Because everything that's left about you is in that briefcase after Hail to the King, and then I will reveal it to the whole world, and just like that, we say goodbye to Haunted Jacob. No! And that's how Midnight Fatality 2 days ago ended. Skeletor, standing tall, signed the contract, rules were made, the stakes got higher, but Skeletor was the last man standing 2 days ago. That could be very different tonight, because it is really the crown jewel of tonight's event, the global championship match between Haunted Jacob and Skeletor. Haunted Jacob has been a fighting champion, but Skeletor is hungry for retribution. Remember, if Skeletor wins, he not only becomes the new global champion, but he also unveils the infamous briefcase containing secrets that could end Jacob's career. So this is where it gets personal. Skeletor has been itching for this moment, and his promos has been off the charts. But can Haunted Jacob's resilience and determination overcome Skeletor's cunning? Our prediction is that Haunted Jacob will put up a hell of a fight for sure, but Skeletor's relentless ambition might just give him the edge. So what do you guys think? Comment down below. I got my revenge. I ended the fun. I eliminated nonsense. I made sure cheaters weren't winners. I was the man at Stamina Slam. I was on a roll until thunder hit. I had one obstacle left. Haunted Jacob. The final participant. the HWE Global Champion. I hadn't fought him in a while. Last time was MEW The End. But since then he's been really the best. He's defeated Sinister, the global title, and I knew I had to go back in the past and remember the bad things he did to me. Because that was the only way I could beat him.
Through the wall, Haunted Jacob with a shoulder tackle, a running chokeslam, a rose plant.
That's how I found my strength. The only way you could beat Haunted Jacob is if you feel some anger inside of you. If you don't have that, you can't beat him. In this very moment, I was able to find that anger inside of me. And it worked. Unfortunately, that night, I didn't have enough anger. I'm done. And hail to the king. You will be meeting a very dangerous Skeletor. A very different version of Skeletor. You won't be level 100 because it is time I enter the level above that. It's time that I reach level 999 for God's sake, because that's what I need to beat Haunted Jacob. I need anger. Haunted Jacob, you've spent too long hiding behind your fear, clinging to the belt like it's your lifeline. But fear won't save you when the final bell rings. And when I stand over you, title in one hand, truth in the other, the world will finally see Haunted Jacob for what he truly is, a fraud. So when Hail to the King, I make sure your nightmare doesn't just end, it becomes reality. I am more than ready. See you at Hail to the King. Kicking things off later on tonight, 8/7 Central, Hail to the King, premiering right here on YouTube. It will be Haunted Jacob defending the Global Championship against Skeletor. The stakes are higher. If Skeletor wins, he reveals the briefcase to the whole world and wins the Global Championship as well. But if Skeletor loses, he does not challenge Haunted Jacob ever again, and the briefcase disappears. It will be burned. The evidence will no longer be available. That all goes down 8/7 Central, kicking the show off. But let's take a look at 12 days ago.
Master Max will pull off the upset and get a win here, or will Gladiator get a nice win here on Midnight Fatality. And I believe we got our answer. A spear from Rome by Gladiator. And now Gladiator takes Master Mexa with a short and sweet powerbomb. Cover. And your winner, Gladiator. What a match here. So Gladiator picked up the win in his return on Midnight Fatality. He may be in this triple threat ladder match, so it's gonna be the most unpredictable match on the card. This is the triple threat ladder match for the treasure map contract. 3 superstars anonymous will battle it out to claim this golden ticket that grants a championship opportunity at any time and anywhere. So that will be amazing. That's all going down later on tonight. But next on the card is the brutal first blood match between Soul and Zayn Saint Savior. So in this match, like I said, it's a first blood match. There are no rules, no pinfalls, no submissions. Only the first drop of blood will decide the win. Soul, with his ruthless aggression, he's been making waves ever since his return, and Zayn Saint Savior is seeking redemption. Has a score to settle. So expect a no-holds-barred, savage encounter where every strike counts. Our take? Soul's ferocity could very well tilt the match in his favor.
Soul's gonna do it, going for the kick-ass DDT. Zayn Saint Savior from the back. Oh! His finishing move. Zayn Saint Savior is gonna pin the hacker of HWE, Soul. 1, 2, 3. The fire of the heavens wins with his wings of ashes. He finally pinned Soul.
On the next Midnight Fatality episode, I will go and finally end this with Soul in a 20-minute Ironman match. Because yesterday I pinned him, but also today he cheated. He cost me a match. He re-entered the Gotham match. He did what Soul always does. So in the next Midnight Fatality episode, I'm ending Soul for good.
We have a fun one live tonight. Midnight Fatality. It's a 20-minute Ironman match between Zayn Saint Savior and the hacker of HWE, Soul.
Soul.
And hail to the king, and Saint Savior, end this feud, end these mind games, end every single thing about this rivalry, end all of the bullcrap he's pulled in the past couple of months. Soul, let's do this.
So of course, Soul's ferocity could very well tilt the match in his favor. But if Zayn Savior can weather the storm, he might just turn the tide in a big way. The winner of this match will be decided when the first drop of blood will drop on the mat. Whoever bleeds first loses. Whoever makes his opponent bleed first wins. It all goes down. 8-7 Central. Hail to the King. Coming up very, 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 very soon. It will be absolutely amazing. Breaking news right here. Final battle. Our next premium live event in 1 month exactly, on March 22nd, 2025, obviously at 8-7 Central. It will be the final battle before our biggest show of the year, All War Ahead, later on in April. But now, last but definitely not least, we have the main event for the Golden Weight Championship
Damien Skull against Wyatt. Damien, who's already the HW World Champion, he's gunning for a double championship, while Wyatt is ready to defend his title with everything he's got. This match is a clash of titans, with each superstar showcasing incredible power, technique, and heart.
It's Wyatt, the Golden Weight Champion, taking on Damien Skull. Winter Blast. And the world champion, Damien Skull, wins the last man standing match.
So everybody here, everybody in the back knows that I'm the best of all time. Everybody knows Hardcore Legend is here to stay. And that means nobody can stop me. Mac couldn't stop me. The Blizzard can't stop me. Black Stinger can't stop me. Nobody can stop me. Not even Damien Skull. Damien Skull might have beaten me. He tried to beat me into the ground. But one thing is, be the last man standing, because I'm still walking, I'm still breathing on this fucking earth.
Suicide, you know I'm the boss of this company. You know where I stand compared to you in this company. And you know, me being the first champion here, I know what it's like to have people trying to work their way in and puppet their way in into getting me not to be a champion. And that's fine. I've dealt with it. I love people who hate on me because all that does is fire me up more to go and prove them wrong each and every single day. And that's what I've been doing for the past couple of months. I've been dodging disaster. I've been fixing this company. But yet the only thing I can't seem to fix is that crooked ass face here. It's always been the ugliest it's ever been ever since this company started. And why is that? Because you come around with an ugly attitude trying to tell everybody that they all suck and this company sucks because you, the champion, can't do his job right. Well, maybe if you quit being a little bitch sometimes and you actually stepped up once and actually were a man about things instead of being a little child and trying to cheat your way through things, maybe you would actually be successful. But fuck you, and I'll see you soon.
It's gonna be a battle for supremacy that could go either way. Our prediction is that this one will be a nail-biter, with both men leaving absolutely everything in the ring. We got part 1 at Winter Blast. It was absolutely amazing. We all expect the same thing in the main event at Hail to the King. That is for sure. Don't forget the press conference right after Hail to the King. Soul, Zayn Saint Saber, and Haunted Jacob will all be live despite the results, despite what happened at Hail to the King. And there you have it, folks. Our breakdown and predictions for Hail to the King on February 22nd right here at 10 night. Every match has the potential to redefine the future of HW, and we can't wait to see how the drama unfolds. We want to hear from you. Drop your predictions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a moment of this historic night. This is HWE, and tonight, history will be written. See you at Hail to the King, and opening up the show, Haunted Jacob against Skeletor. Thank you all for tuning in HWE's Hail to the King kickoff show.
When ashes fall